checking in again, gang. Y'all see what we got going on here today, baby. We got 2 trannies, which I gotta drop off to my guy. We got the LS 5.3 that y'all saw we went got from the yard, and it has a transmission on it. I already unbolted the bolt from the flywheel to the converter. So next, I'm gonna take those few around from the bell housing, get it off of the engine, and take the engine off the truck, and y'all know, wash it down, baby. We gotta get it clean. So I'm gonna remove this here mount. I'm gonna remove those motor mounts and this here AC compressor bracket, and we'll do it from there, guys, and get this thing straight so we could try to see what happened here and get it back on the road. So if you're new, comment, like, share, subscribe. As far as the truck, we got a few different codes. One of them was a random cylinder misfire. I had a knock sensor code, and I also had like a bank one low or whatever. So I'm gonna start troubleshooting that by changing the fuel pump first, because I do have free warranty on it. So I'm gonna swap that fuel pump out and see if we can get this thing running how it's supposed to. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Alright, gang, I got them all soaked up with some degreaser and some awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead on and use my Craftsman pressure washer, get this thing all cleaned up, show y'all the end results. We got everything plugged off, exhaust ports, intake ports, got my dipstick in, all plugs, cam sensor, all pressure sensor, crank sensor in there. So comment, hit that like button, let's get it. Alright, YouTube, y'all see how she came out. cleaned up pretty good for our first pass with just some degreaser and some awesome. So next, shout out Cat Loco. Oven cleaner, baby. I'm gonna cover the whole thing with some oven cleaner. I'm gonna let it sit on there, eat everything up, and we'll come back and soak them once again, and you should be good. I probably should put a long sleeve shirt on when applying this stuff because I feel it get to my skin. It doesn't feel good. I'm gonna let him sit for about 10-15 minutes. Then I'll come back and pressure wash it again. Alright, gang. Y'all see. Came out real good. This one here came out real good. Y'all see it.
Yo, what's up?
What's happening?
Nothing much.
Huh?
Nothing much. I haven't seen you in a while, so wanna come drop by and see how you doing, man.
You been cooling? Trying to get this motor right.
Why? What happened to it?
Just cleaning it up
Uh,
when I got out the yard.
where you got it off of?
A truck like this one. And graduated, huh?
Yeah.
What you doing? You ain't finding you no job?
I don't have to.
Oh boy!
Yeah, because they got New York, a new law that passed in school that if you do 2 extra college classes, you graduate with a diploma. So if I wanted to, I could go get a job right now because I got a diploma in my hand. So
Gotcha.
I'm not going to get a job yet.
You trying to get that money?
No, because I don't need no money right now, man.
You good, huh?
After what I've been through,
Yeah.
I got done popping my leg back in place.
Popping what?
Popping my leg back in place.
Your lace band.
My I injured myself
Oh.
on a four-wheeler. I was at Walker Road with some of my buddies. We was hunting for deer and stuff.
Yeah.
I didn't see the hole, and I went to get off, and the four-wheeler popped on me.
Damn, you mess yourself up, huh?
And and my leg got injured on the thing. I was like,
They still got them trails back there?
what trailers?
The trails.
Oh yeah,
That's where you was at?
yeah.
They don't have that sign that says motocross no more, huh?
No, it passing it pad with Poppy now.
Mm-hmm.
So nobody allowed back there, but they allow us to go back there.
Would you say private property?
Paris Poppy,
Mm.
like the Paris that own everything.
So they shut it down?
Yeah, they saw they cut down, but my friend dad, he with the Paris, so we get free asset get back there
Gotcha.
to deal with the deal in the hogs.
That was a nice track
Cause
there.
they got a lot of hogs back there.
Oh yeah.
I'm going back there after tonight.
Yeah.
Cause I'm going to the game. I'm going to the high school football game because my old lady performing.
Mm.
My old lady performing, so
Yeah.
I had to go cheer her on before.
Hey guys, that's the final cleaning. Gonna put on where he needs to be, and I'll pull his heads off. And I don't want to keep the heads on there with water sitting up in there and all of that. So I'm gonna break it down, show y'all how we get that done. Y'all go ahead and hit that like button for me.